Namaste. When we say namaste, a strange emotions arise in ourselves. So we never say this namaste to greet or to only greet others. This is for our own sake. Whenever you will say namaste, automatically you will get this feeling that something is inside of you which is giving you happiness. This happiness you will not get in any other word. Though we use good morning, then also we smile. Shubh Prata, then also words are of that type that we smile there. But Namaste has a different feeling. So always I urge to other students from other schools also that try to do Namaste whenever you greet each other. Now, you all are welcomed here in this MUN Model Nations Union. Any word you can take from this, and you must be knowing why it started, what is the role of we student or the school to organize this. UN was constituted in 1945 after Second World War. The atmosphere, rather I should use global atmosphere at that time, was of that type that no one could survive alone there. No country could survive alone at that time. And it was felt the need that we should sit together, we should see the problems prevailing in each other's country, we should search the solutions of those problems. And for this UN was formulated. This forum was there that any country, after those sufferings of World War, should not face any consequence alone. Their countries used to be gathered on one platform. They used to discuss the problems created after World War, and they just suggest to each other the solutions to solve those problems, not only for themselves but for others. This was the motto at that time, and this is the motto today also. This is model of that. MUN means model of that. And in this model, we students sit together, we just study about the various countries, their situations, their problems. Though we are not up to that place that we could get the solution for those problems, as our country representatives used to do, but still our growing minds at least get that solution in another form. I know to win, you people just search Google, you take the help of your teachers and they all give you the same solutions. But I want to request you all, yes, for winning you have to go higher, but be at your own level too. Search those solutions also which you deem it could be there. And I request the judges present here that you try to see this thing, and if any student is giving his or her own solution for that problem, give extra marks to that student. This will be your creativity. And to organize MUN in the school, the main purpose is the same, to give you thinking power, to give you emotional ground, to give you that skill that you could reach to that level where your country representatives are there. So I hope you all must have prepared well and you will present. I'm 100% sure each and every one of you will present your thoughts well knitted, beautifully, where you will get the chance. Wish you all the very best. These 2 days program, I'm 100% sure, will give you new light to see the world in some other form also. You will be out of the limits, because we always are surrounded by the boundaries. So try to break the boundaries of your thinking. At least there you can do. You all are able to do that thing. In other forms, you cannot break the boundaries. But in your thinking, you can. So, as my last words are, you can. I am 100% sure you will do it. Thank you very much.